Hello, crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse, and I am here with day 6 of the Spellbinders Crafty Advent Calendar Fun Goodness Holiday just for you. If you did get this, maybe you got one for a friend, they'll be so happy with this because there is dies, stamps, embossing folders, all sorts of goodies. Let's see what goodie is here for day 6. On the 6th day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. He's a little turtle. And it's a die turtle set. Oh, this is adorable. I love it. Let's take a look at the little turtle. Oh, this is so cute. So, you know, a lot of these advent calendar goodies can be used year-round. The turtle has a balloon, so you can do this as a birthday. There's his little hat. That's his head, body. That's the shell that goes on top. This down here is for his legs right here. You can change the color. So let's look at my example. You'll see the clear breakdown of how to put this die together. Here is my December 6th example. Look at the cute little turtle. He's just so adorable. The turtle, very easy to put together. This is the body, which I cut in Spellbinders Fern cardstock. So Fern is here and Fern is also here. This is Spellbinders Rainforest cardstock. Spellbinders Peridot cardstock. So there's 3 shades of green. These two are almost looking alike. This one was so bright, I decided to come on with a little bit of green ink, and it kind of turned into rainforest. But the center is still the Peridot, okay? So first you cut this piece, then this one goes right there, that one on top, and then the head. At first I had tucked it behind, but then it didn't look right. I used a photograph here. That's how I figured how to really put it together with the neck part, okay? So the Advent box was quite helpful. This is a top folding card. It is a square card. The card is a series of squares. So I use the Everlasting Squares dies. This is currently in the BOGO sale. So if you wanted to get the Everlasting Circles, Everlasting Squares, you could do that BOGO. Buy one, get one free. Yay. Also, I'm using one of my favorites, the Birthday Unboxing Glimmer Hot Foil Plate. I have a bunch of these glimmered ready to go. This is white hammermill cardstock with black opaque hot foil roll. And normally, I'll keep the sentiment this long. Because of the space that I had, I just simply nip it right there between the Y and the B and staggered it. This is my first time doing this. I think it's kind of nice because I love this font. Now, in the Spellbinders store, I don't see this listed anymore, so I'm not sure if it's retired as Spellbinders, but you can find it at other retailers, so I will provide a link. This one is a fabulous hot foil plate, especially for the sentiment with a coordinating die. Even this one right here, that standard happy birthday, you can use as a sentiment strip. If you're good with your trimmer at this size to cut a rectangle, work with it. And then there's all these other sentiments too, which I never use. I need to use them. I don't know why I keep forgetting to use them. I just love the sentiment here and the script. That's my main draw. To finish off my cute little guy, there is the party hat, so you can choose to use it or not. There is the balloon, his eye. This little part is right here, okay? Isn't this adorable? The whole card is just a series of squares. This is white basil cardstock with little polka dots on it. And just to highlight where he's at, I came in with the Altenew Pool Fresh Dye ink right there, just for a little sky. Cut out that with the Everlasting Squares. Came in with pink. Came in with this color, which is a green glitter. And then finally came in with this big one for here. This is 4 1/4 inch wide. I skipped a little bit because I wanted to show the pattern paper. This is pattern paper from my stash, which I think is very pretty. And then I finished off the whole card with some green gems. Isn't this cute for day 6? I think this is a cute little birthday note card. And you can use your envelope punch board if you wanted to make like a specific envelope for this. Alrighty, crafters. Everything will be detailed and linked below for my 2 little goodies right here. This is not at Spellbinders. It probably will come back because this one is a winner. And then the Altenew, okay? And I have multiples of it too. Did I forget to tell you guys that? I love that set. Okay, crafters, before I go, don't forget the BOGO sale. Buy one, get one free. There are many categories of items in there. That is going on right now. I will link my video here so you can see all the tips and tricks of how to get the best out of that BOGO sale. Also, we're at the halfway point of the 12 days of giveaways leading up to day 12, which is the grand prize. That's an original platinum die cutting machine, the large format machine with the XL universal plate system. Loving it. It's a great giveaway. You can enter daily on social media, Instagram, Facebook, and I'm also providing a link where you can enter on the Spellbinders website itself. Yay! Until December 7, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!